Everybody. Some people like to make people go out in the rain and harvest tomatoes.
Just for fun in the rain. It's been see over here. What are you doing? Not that. Not that.
Oh!
Over here. The red one.
Yeah.
Can you do it?
No. It's beautiful.
It's so delicious, honey. Taste it.
It's very delicious.
Don't taste it. It's so good.
Very delicious. Oh, very nice.
Yeah. Well, don't even show every one of them. Oh my God.
Hey,
Yeah.
you let me harvest
Is
my
that
way.
is that good? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, don't break the branches.
No. I know.
So pretty.
Please. I'm very good at this. Back when I used to work at the plantation.
What plantation? There's more.
The tomato plantation.
More coming up.
No, there's none. Those are all green up there.
I know. There's one at the bottom, honey. At the bottom.
See, red and green. Everybody notice the difference between red and green. They don't taste as good when they're green.
Honey, come on! It's raining so hard over there.
Please move aside.
Oh, so pretty. Cherry, big cherry tomato. It says large red
There's
cherry.
one right here. This is kind of middle of the road.
Okay, talk to the camera. What are you?
There's a little bit of green in the back of it, so I don't know if I want to take this one yet. It might ripen up though, so I will pull it.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh,
So pretty.
awesome. Here's another one. Very beautiful.
Are you enjoying it?
I'm enjoying it. See, now there's one that's just getting started.
Where?
That one right there will ripen up here real soon.
Okay. Here's your basket, honey.
Here's my basket.
Ooh. Okay, you wanna post for me? Over there. You gotta go around. Okay, just you can go. You wanna go around? Yeah. Are you put? That's yellow. They are yellow. They're supposed to be yellow.
Take it.
I love these cherries. No, not this. Not that one. No.
Yeah, it's just-
Okay, all right. You just so. Then you're gonna pull your face. There's more there.
Where? I don't see one. Oh, there's not. This one? This little one? No. Oh, here's
Yeah. That's beautiful. Woo! How about the? Look at.
Oh,
I don't know if they are ready.
How about that?
The cucumber.
Look at the cucumber. Look at the tomatoes, though. Here's some tomatoes.
Let's pick. Mamitas tayo ng mga kamatis. Ang dami. Ang daming bunga. Hinog na siya. Ito namang mga Roma tomato. Ang lalaki. Ang lalaki. Tagal pumula. Hindi ko siya pinitas lahat. Oh. Pupupulahin ko pa. Yun yung Roma. Ang laki. Pumupula na ng kaunti. Tinanggalan ko ng mga dahon ang Roma para ma-expose siya sa araw. Yun na, laki. Meron pa akong Roma dito sa ibaba. Iba doon yung aking garden na isa. Pangit ang kanyang madam. Lemon tomatoes, lemon puree. Yun, no? Yun, may bulak ng maliit. Nakakatuwa ang mga babies. Hi! Kala mo kanya itong mga tomato.